MeghalayaPost.news.
Kaskul ba Mahatma Gandhi University mentakasni kalpelong dagawai ke program kerpang melatepum ke Ri-Bhoi Excellence Award na kabanta kito ki samla ki bala pas bah ki jing pule barha ki ki jing job ki bayadai berkatanat pule puthi yakani ke Ri-Bhoi Excellence Award lapenlong haparish nong po hakabau ba HM Shangpliang ulongai kitien ka sorkar jela hakaliang jong katanat pule puthi ulawan banshim benta kumu kongsan bala sakhi lang daga jing don lang UMLE kanong po uba Meral Bonds EM Deputy Commissioner ke Ri-Bhoi Abhishek Saini Vice Chancellor ke MGU Dr. Sagar O Manjare lembat kiwei hakani ke jing pynkup burom ladon rengkat ru nadu ki samla pule kinong hikai ki principal ïaki khusnam la sam syakitu ki samla ki badan hok banyo ya ke jing itu halor ke jing job ke jongki hakbaya de batka kam pule puthi.
The presence of the police department, additional SP and the director of My Bharat definitely inspire our students for the competitive and civil examinations. The SPM group is here to guide you the exact track how you can achieve the goal of your competitive examinations. The students who achieve their highest scores in their examinations are future of not only the Ri-Bhoi but of the Meghalaya state and India. This is the first step you are entering in the world of competitive examination and entering to serve something for the nation.
Our various challenges as a university within Ri-Bhoi district you have been through, but the services that you have rendered within the district to ensure that various courses to be fulfilled and many students who represent from various background, family, they will have an opportunity, an avenue to study in various programs that is being offered by this particular university. On this note, I would like to congratulate various students who have just been felicitated, as well as other students also from around 4 to 5 colleges within the Ri-Bhoi district who have done well, who have secured more than 65% in various programs. I must place on record my sincere thanks to each and every one of you who have contributed towards the well-being of this very university that we have within our district. We have seen in the past few years, many universities has come up within the district and in the state as a whole to ensure that students and parents, they will have an avenue to ensure the future of their children. The state government have done various initiatives to upgrade various secondary to higher secondary to college. And if we look back at successive budget allocation by the state government towards education, not less than 14.6% of the total expenditure is being spent in education in the state of Meghalaya.
Award ceremony today is in fact a journey. I call it a journey because the excellence does not end here. In fact, the journey starts from here. You have been felicitated today by the management, by the university. You've been felicitated by the teachers for the good work that you've done. But your actual work starts from here. Your journey starts from here, my dear friends. Because this is the point where you are going to look forward for the future of your own self. You're going to look for a job. You're going to look for the future that holds for you. We do not know what is in your mind. Now, what kind of job you would like to take up. So therefore consider this as the starting point of your life. Friends, the journey is long and it's not going to be easy. It is not so cozy as you're sitting right under the fan now. And it's not as cozy as you think that you can go home and scroll and keep on watching reels in your mobile. It is not easy. Because you have to fight against thousands. Why I say that? I'm reminded that this Saturday there is an examination for the post of MD called by the MPSC. Hundreds of them have started coming to us. I'm sure they must have come to Sir Everyone also, saying, please help us, sir. Help you with what? Help us pass the exam. I said, sorry. I'm sorry. You help to pass the exam by yourself. We will just bless you. We cannot go and sit in the exam hall to write for you. You have to fight it out by yourself. That is the first challenge that you are going to face. For any job, it's not going to be easy. Hundreds of them are going to sit for the MPSC exams. And we look forward that this exam is going to be fair, is going to be just, and it should satisfy all our children. Because the government has set up a system. Now we need to follow the system which will facilitate our young minds to come out with fair results. Very recently, the government, under the leadership of our Chief Minister, has brought various reforms in the MPSC. That the exams are going to be conducted in a very fair manner so that our children will not have the slightest doubt when the results come out.
MeghalayaPost.news